it's Chelsea, and welcome to the add-on videos for the Digital Art Elements through Illustrator video series. By the end of this video, you should have a good understanding of how to create some 3D effects. So without further ado, let's jump in. If you've been following this tutorial series so far, then you're going to have to make some changes now. We've gone through line, shape, color, value, and texture. And according to the series, you're ready to move on to space. But unlike graphic design, we are going to add an element. We're going to add form. So let's go to your artboards. If you don't see your artboards here, they may be somewhere else. You can always go to Window and find Artboards. And you're going to add an artboard. Once you've done this, you can add your guides on the side. We have 1/2-inch guides, and the only reason why we have these is just so that we make sure our design does not go outside of these lines. That way, if you decide to print it, you can do so without worrying about things getting cut off. Now you're going to need your title and your line, just to keep things consistent. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy with Command C. Now if I click on the last artboard, notice that the rulers change. It's going to zero up with this corner, so 0 should be here. And if I do Command F, then it's going to paste it exactly in place. So I don't have to worry about trying to get it exactly the same spot that I had it on the previous page. If you want to, you can change the font and the color. Actually, you're going to want to do that with this page because we're going to be doing form first. Make sure you have it highlighted, otherwise it won't change. And changing the color. You might look at what colors you have already. All right, and switch to your Move tool. And you can change the color of the line. Okay, once you've finished adding this page, you will be ready to move on to the next part where we'll actually start making forms. So just add in this page and you'll be ready to go. See you in the next one.